In today's video, we'll discuss some tips so that you can build your resume for summer internships and can stand out from the competition. Tip number one is to have a strong objective statement. Now, if you are fresher, you might be wondering, how do I stand out from the competition? Because I don't have much experience in my field. So my suggestion is to mention your career goals and why you were enthusiastic about this internship position. So you might have to tailor your objective statement to the company you're applying, but this is the first thing that will help you stand out. Second thing is to highlight your education. Now, as a fresher or a recent graduate, you don't have much experience in the professional world. So help the hiring manager understand what courses you've taken, why you are experienced to get this internship position, and how can you help them from day one. The next thing is skills. Now, they can both be technical and non-technical. For example, if you've taken a programming course, for example, you can mention the course. Or if you learn some software that is applicable in your industry, then you need to mention that. Sometimes you can mention non-technical skills, or also called soft skills. How do you demonstrate you're strong in communication or problem solving or teamwork? So let me dive into the soft skills with the next tip. So the next tip is volunteer work or extracurricular work. Your extracurricular activities and your volunteer work is the best way to demonstrate your leadership skills. They can also demonstrate that you're a team player, that you participate in the success of the team, that you help in problem solving, you can balance your workload, you can work well within deadlines. Tip number 4 is to mention your project work. However small project you worked on in your college, mention that if it's relevant to the internship. Because even if it's a small project, hiring manager can focus on that and ask you questions around that. So that helps the manager understand that, okay, if this person is given project work, they can to some extent without supervision execute that. So that's definitely a big plus. The next tip is to mention your certifications and online courses. You need to understand not everybody goes above and beyond. So if you have taken the time to do some online courses, do mention it, because this will help you stand out in your application. The next thing is to create a master resume. So dump everything that you've done until this point in that master resume. And whenever you're applying for a job, customize your resume, pick things or drop things from that master resume that help you tailor your resume to the internship you're applying for. The next tip is formatting. So this is very important in a resume. Make sure you have well structured your resume. Make sure your resume is 1 page long. Make sure you're using bullet points as needed. Make sure you're highlighting important things. The bottom line here is your resume should look very clean. The next tip is to proofread your resume. It is very important to make sure there are no errors in your resume. So proofread your resume multiple times. Also, you can try asking your family or your friends to proofread the resume for you. Those are my resume tips for this video, and I wish you good luck in your internship search. If you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more career related content. Thank you so much for watching.